Let's begin lesson. All right. So you're here because of the PSLE bootcamp, and this is day number 1. Tomorrow, day number 2, and Monday, day number 3. Okay, children. It's not you attend one day, the second and third day don't attend. Please, huh? All right, this bootcamp is for 3 consecutive days, and the reason why it's called bootcamp is that it's a very intensive, right? Science in the morning, English in the afternoon, and math, your favorite topic and your favorite teacher, is in the evening. All right, so get ready for the intensity of the math mock papers. So I assume that you have already done your mock paper 1 and mock paper 2. All right, so I'll be going through all the questions. Okay, so if you have your worksheet with you, right, you can actually take it out. All right, that would be great. Then if you have any correction, you can actually write it down with me. All right, then along the way, you learn things that is important. Can? All right, so these are the things that you need to have. Your calculator is only for paper 2. For today, we'll be doing the mock 1, paper 1. We'll complete paper 1, booklet A and booklet B. And I want to do a little bit of mock 1, paper 2, the first 7 questions if I can. All right, so let's try our best. Can? Okay, so these are the things that you need. So let's not talk about it so much because you're already here already. Okay, 55. 55 is the number that you need to know as per today. All right, we got 55 more days to your PSLE math paper, which is on the 1st of October. 1st of October. Yeah, I counted down for you already. I'm so excited, man. Really. Imagine you finishing your exams, and imagine that you have used these 6 years, These 6 years, all your knowledge is going to apply into this one exam paper. Right? All the knowledge that you have is going to be applied into this one exam paper. Isn't it exciting? Don't you feel the excitement? No, okay, somebody's shaking their head. Only I feeling excited lah. My goodness. All right, hey, you all must go and take the paper with some joy lah. Don't be stressed lah. I know some of you stressed. You must go and take the paper with some happiness, some joy. All right, stay positive, man. You can do it. All right, come on. Let's go into the questions. Okay. So you all know what's happening, right? In the paper 1, yada 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 yada. All right. And the paper 2, right? Yada 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 yada. All right. So I'm not going through all this, Ken. Okay, let's just jump into the question. Okay, come. Again, right, if you have anything to say, right, you can actually type inside the chat box. All right. If I can see the message, I will highlight to it. I will answer to it. Can? All right, but please understand that I cannot multitask lah. All right, I'm a man. Men don't multitask. Okay, anyway, let's take a look at question 1. Oh, very simple question. Will this question be coming out in the PSLE? Of course. Cannot be every question difficult one. If every question difficult, what will happen? Everybody will fail, right? If everybody will fail, then what will happen? Then nobody go to Sec 1. Then nobody go to Sec 1, what happened? Huh? Then Sec 1, the teachers nothing to do, is it? So come on, children. All right, most of the question will be doable. About 75 to 80% of the question will be doable. So chill, man, chill. All right. So down here, what do you have? You have 4,505,083 written in numbers. Yeah, easy lah. Million means what? Million means 60. So usually I'll write down the numbers on top of the wording. All right, 505,000. All right, 505,000 means 30, right? All right, and 83, this is 83. So if you want, you can actually do an addition. Do you know that? 4 million, all right, 505, just slot it in properly, 1,000 is here, and 83. Voila, and you're supposed to add lah. All right, nothing wrong with doing this. All right, you just want a standard confirmed answer, right? So let's go and get the standard confirmed answer. So it's 4,505,083. So you just compare lah. I think it's 2, right? Yeah lah. All right, so this is our question, how to make mistakes, right? So that's how you get your 1 mark. Can? Okay, so you are supposed to do it fast and accurate at the same time. Can? All right. Okay, so moving on, what's next? Oh, I love this. This is called the 4 operations. All right, always do the who first. I always call this the lao ta. Lao ta means number 1. All right, always do the bracket first. Okay, after your bracket, do who? Do your times divide. All right, that's called lao e. Lao e means the number 2 in the family lah. And number 3 is your plus and minus. All right, if times and divide or plus and minus is in the same line, all right, if they are in the same line, if on the same line, all right, means in the same equation, what happened? Do from left to right. All right, do from left to right. And please, this 4 operations thing very important. It will carry you through until secondary school one. Really, in secondary school, you'll be doing this. I promise you. All right, you'll be seeing me showing you this again. All right, so who is Lao Ta? Who is number 1? Number 1 is your bracket. All right, so 12 minus 8 must do first. So 4 is down here. So what you do with the rest? Just copy it down. Just copy it down like that. Can? Just copy it down. Don't stress. Chill, man. All right. After that, in this line, I see what? I see minus and plus and times and divide. Who is number 2? Number 2 is your times and divide. So 12 times 4 is a, 3 times 4 is a 12. 8 divided by 2 is a 4. All right. And the rest, just copy down. 24 is here. The minus is in front. Now here's a plus. Oh, minus and plus in one straight line. Do what? Do from left to right. So 24 minus 12 is a 12. 12 plus 4 is a 16. Woohoo! How to not get it right, children? All right, so steady yourself. Don't worry so much. Question 2, done. Question 3, asking for area of triangle. How do you find area of triangle? Quick. Area formula, half times base times height. All right, so usually when I see this, I'll write out the formula somewhere. Right, because sometimes I might get a little bit tense, I might forget things, but now I have it straight in my face. Down here, they're looking for the area of triangle ABC. Where's ABC? Look at the question. All right, we are looking at this red color triangle. We are looking at this red color triangle. So you're supposed to find the area of this red color triangle. So now you have to determine who is the base and who is the height. Can? All right, so can I say that BC here? All right, if I call this my base, where is my height? Remember that the height is perpendicular to the base. All right, the height is perpendicular to the base. Is it here? Is it here? Of course it's not. Okay, it's not. All right. Then how? You must learn to extend it out to form the what? To form the 90 degrees down here. All right. Can you see? So this portion must be your height. Can you see that? All right. So do remember for me, do remember for me for triangles, right? There are 3 kinds of triangle. One is the normal kind of triangle, something like that. All right, something like that, where this is called the base. All right, and where's the height? The height is touching the final point, which is called the vertex. The highest point down here is called the vertex here. All right, it must be perpendicular downwards. So this is called your H for height. The second kind of triangle you have is what we call the right angle triangle, like this one. Okay, so this is the 90 degrees and this will be your base. Okay, where's your height? Your height is obviously perpendicular to the base. That's called your height. And the last one, my favorite, is called a slanted triangle. Woo! Slanted, ooh, like that one. Okay, slanted triangle. All right, so if this is called the base, where's the height? You must learn to extend out. Extend out your base, extend, extend down your height, and to form the 90 degrees. And this portion is called the height. So this question is asking for slanted triangle. Can? All right, so you have area is equal to half times base times height. What's the base? 8. And what's the height? 7. Half times 8 is 4. 4 times 7 is a 28 cm squared. Woo! Answer is a 1. Okay. Yes, Max, PSLE, speed not tested, pie chart not tested. And there's something else. All right, there's something else. The pie chart, speed, the solid figures and nets, P6 volume not tested. Thank you, Sharon. And there's one more I've forgotten already. Geometry is tested. Hello? Geometry is so big, it's tested. All right, so it's pie chart, solid figures and net not tested, speed not tested, P6 volume not tested. Can? All right, but later you see that the part of this paper, right, there's a bit of speed and also a bit of pie chart. All right, I'll explain to you. All right, why is that later? Okay. So in this case, area of triangle, answer is 28 cm squared. Answer is 1. Shouldn't make a mistake. Right? Easy question like this. Secure the marks. Move on. Oh, 3/5 of a number is equal to 1/3 of 270. What is the number? Oh, this type of question is my favorite. We call this what? I call this E to M. What's E to M? Anyone knows? Never listen to my lesson in the lesson plan, is it? E to M means English to math. Oh, this is very, very useful. Trust me. All right, you'll be using this in Sec 1, Sec 2, Sec 3, Sec 4. So yes, Sharon, English to math, very good. So down here, you look at the English down here. All right, they say 3/5 of a number. So 3/5 is a fraction, 3/5. What's the meaning of of? Of means times. What is the number? I don't know. If I know the number, I would have know the answer, right? Duh. So if you don't know, just put a dash lah. I mean a space out there. All right. So 3/5 is a fraction. Of means times a number, just put a spacing. What is the meaning of is? Oops, sorry. What's the meaning of is? Is represents equal. Equal. All right. Equal to what? 1/3 of 270. 1/3 means it's a fraction. Of means what? Times 270 is a number. So you are just supposed to fill in the blanks lah. So isn't this called English to math? Really, really very simple. So as you can see, I can do something this part first. All right, I can do something to this part first. So let me do it. All right, 270 is 270 over 1. So what do? I know how to cancel. All right, 3 and 27, they are part of the 3 timetable. Divide by 3, divide by 3. All right, there's a 0 behind, put it back. So down here, your question should be 3 over 5 times what, huh? Equal to 90. That's the question. Okay. So at this moment, you can say what? Oh, 3/5 of a number. This number is like the full number. So you can say that actually 3 represents your 90. All right. 5 actually represent your this. All right. If you want to play arrow lah, huh? All right. 3/5. 3/5 actually means what? There's a total of 5 units, right? There's a total of 5 units. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see not? My model diagram. So nice, so accurate, so straight. I'm so good at drawing model. All right. Anyway, just trying to show off to you. So what's the meaning of 3/5? 3/5 means you have to shape 3 of it. 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 5 represents a 90. 3 out of 5 down here represents a 90. So what can you tell me? Sure, easy lah. 3 units represents what? 90. 1 unit is equal to 90 divided by 3, which is equal to 30. Question 1 to find what? 5 units. All right. 30 times 5 is equal to 150. Lock it in. Answer is 3. Woo! Alternatively, this is my favorite faster method. What is the favorite faster method? All right. I came up with this. It's called here and there. I came up with this. It's called here and there. All right. So if you know what is here and there, good for you. If you don't know, please go and do your revision. All right. So 3/5 times what equal to 90. All right. So you are supposed to find what. All right. So what are you supposed to do with this? Times 3/5. Times 3/5, if you bring across the equal sign, something will change. Your 90 will be here. Times 3/5, bring across, it will be divided by 3/5. All right. It's just like the same thing as multiplication. For instance, I ask you, what is 2 times what equal to 10? Sure, easy lah. This one is equal to 10 divided by 2. Times 2 bring across is divided by 2. And therefore, answer is 5, right? It's the same idea. It's the same idea. So what is 90 divided by 3 over 5? Don't know how to divide? Never mind. Chill. Change the divide to a times. Flip the fraction. 3 over 5 becomes 5 over 3. You have learned this in your P5, P6. Don't bluff. All right, 90 is 90 over 1. Once again, you can cancel. Numerator is 90. Denominator is 3. 3 timetable, divide by 3, divide by 3. 30 times 5 will give you 150. Bam. Isn't it the same answer? And isn't it faster? I believe so. All right, because if you want to draw model, you draw until how long? Correct or not? Right. All right, so we move on a little bit. All right. Again, children, if you cannot catch up, it's perfectly okay. This recording, right? This lesson is being recorded. Don't worry, my face is my face is the only one that's being recorded, not your face, right? Don't worry about your face. All right, so if you have any doubts, right, you can actually go back to this video and you can watch it again. You can press the play, the fast forward, and backwards button also can. Yeah, so you have the option. All right, so moving on, question 5. What is the missing what number in the space provided? This portion here, right? I always do something. I always reduce to the simplest form first. All right, reduce to the simplest form. All right, always have this habit of reducing to the simplest form. 21, 27, and 24, they are part of the 3 timetable. So divide by 3 throughout. Wait lah. Somebody got a question. Isn't it supposed to be 30 and not 3 when you cancel 90? Oh, yeah lah. So down here, look, my 0 is still here, you see? This is my 0 is still here, can you see? So it's like 30, you see? Okay, I'm a little bit lazy, I'm so sorry. All right, 30 times 5 is 150, yeah. All right, my 0 is still there. Right, sometimes, yeah, habit lah. All right, yeah, but if you want to do it properly, I agree with you, all right? Then